Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Alienware Aurora without a Microsoft account. So first of all, let's skip the initial steps. So select your country, region, then keyboard layout, click yes, then click skip. And after that, once you enter the network connection screen, do not connect to a Wi-Fi network and do not connect the Ethernet cable to your laptop. Now, if you have already done then either unplug the Ethernet cable from your laptop or turn off the router that you are connected to, or you can also just leave the area and reach the place where your Wi-Fi signal is unreachable. And after that, we're gonna have to press the combination of Shift button and F10 button at the same time. And if Shift F10 doesn't do anything, you have to hold down the Fn key, then press Shift and F10 together. This will open the CMD window on your laptop. And in this CMD window, we're gonna have to enter just one command. So select your CMD window and enter OOBE, then /bypassNRO. Press enter and wait until your device is restarted. Once your laptop is restarted, select your country or region, then click yes, then select the right keyboard layout from the list and click yes once again. Then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, click add layout and proceed. Otherwise, just skip this step. On the following page, select I don't have internet. Then enter your username and press enter. If you want to create a password, you can do that, but it's not necessary. You can press enter and just skip this step. Then choose some privacy settings, so you can untoggle the, or rather unswitch the toggles next to the options that you don't like. So we have location here, which gets your location to give you directions and weather. Find my device, which lets you find your device in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data, that collects data about you and sends it to Microsoft for research. Inking and typing, which does the same thing, but only regarding to your usage of the keyboard of this laptop. And personalized offers, which is basically personalized ads. So just switch the toggles off next to the options that you don't like and click accept. Then wait a moment. And in a minute or so, the setup will be finished. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.